Hello everyone. So for today we're going to work a little bit with the envelope journal, or not envelope, this one's the old book page journal that we started on and everything. And I have a few pages ready to go for us to start working on, so I kind of wanted to start going with these. Now this side I thought would just break it out a little bit here and use this little scrap piece that's left out of all the other pieces of this. It's just this one piece, and I'm like, let's make a plain page out of it. You can write over top of this, so why not? Alright. I took some coffee dyed paper here to make the pocket a flip open. So I took this piece, prepped it and everything. I cut off this part so we can make this part into the flip. So next we'll get this put on here, just because that's the next thing. Again, I just want to make more writing space. Why not? If we can do it, why don't we? So our book pocket right here. Again, lots of writing space this way. And then this I wanted as a pocket on here too. So, I mean, I haven't been doing much with these other than adding pockets and stuff. Now I also need to add fillers for this. Make something for these two pockets, but I thought that would be so cool. Just a cute little flip like that. So I'm trying to see if I have any plain on both sides paper. I don't have any on me, but I know I have some cardstock that was recently coffee dyed right here. So sometimes it's easier to fill her up with pieces of cardstock. It's a little too long. Like this. And same as this one, we'll just take this to give it more, even more writing space. And I completely did not get this straight, so this is where, again, I'm just going to take my scissors get it as straight as I can and then slip it in. So there we go. We got all that. Now, this seems too plain, so I'm just taking my piece here and just rubbing it against here, just so it's more grungy like the rest of it. So there we go. We got one page done. Now I do want to slip this pocket right here. So this one I'm just going to glue on the 3 sides, and we're gonna do this. So I mean, this is coming along. It may take a little bit, but it is coming along. So we got 3 pages done out of doing that. So 1, 2, and you flip this over, and 3. And there isn't much left. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4 pages left out of this journal that we need to work on. I mean, that doesn't happen very often, very quickly. So, and that's just with us piddling around with making different pockets and stuff. But I think this is gorgeous. Again, it just, we keep on adding to it and just keeps on going and going and going. And I like adding the different flops and flips and everything with the journal. Just makes it exciting. So these aren't very many pages, and it does get a little thick, but the thickness will go away over time, I'm sure. So I hope you enjoyed working on that journal a little bit today, and that's another start to finish that I started, and I just want to show you step by step how I'm going about finishing them. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or night. Bye.